Hello everyone and welcome back to my workshop. I really wanted to start this year with something big and colorful. I've always been into Japanese culture, and not to mention I used to watch a lot of anime when I was little. I'm in love with the cherry blossom trees, which are considered as a metaphor of the ephemeral nature of life. They are also associated with mortality and grace. This is the first of a two-part Repaint miniseries. For this time I'm covering the graceful part of the cherry blossom, with a doll named Keomi. She's a spirit in charge of bringing hope to people. And also she's always carrying a magical object, called Kibono Kagami, which translates into the mirror of hope. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm using a Draculaura doll because of her beautiful pink skin. It fits perfectly with the color of the cherry blossom. I'm going to start blushing her face with color pastels. Using a mixture of pink and red, I'm applying her makeup. She's going to need at least 3 layers. Makeup done. Now I'll continue with the lips with a red vibrant color. I want Keomi to look peaceful and elegant, so I'm going to draw her eyes closed. With the pink color, I'm barely drawing her shadow on the bottom lid. I'm giving her a very subtle wing. For the eyebrows, I'm using dark pink and some hair strokes with black. And with the same pink, I'm marking the crease and connect it to the wing. To finish the eyes, I'm darkening the wing with black. And also some bottom lashes. After that, I'll glue some 3D lashes. Now I'll incorporate the cherry blossom tree on the doll's head. First, I'm making the armature with wire. I'm just poking the wire through the sculpt and twisting it to create the branches. After the armature is ready, I'm using my trusty foam putty to fill everything. This foam putty needs to dry. Before it does, I'm making some wood texture with nail file. We need some flowers. I bought this on my local craft store, but the petals are very round. So with some pliers, I'm cutting triangles on the edge of each flower. Now I just have to repeat this process 1,000 times. Now that the tree is dry and ready, I give it 1 hand of dark brown paint, and after that I'll dry brush with lighter brown. And now for the fun part, let's fill those branches with flowers, one by one, using hot glue. There's nothing more beautiful of the cherry blossom than watching those petals fall, so to mimic that I'm using some plastic thread and poke some flowers. Once those are done, I'll glue them to the top of the tree. For her dress, I'm using a basic kimono pattern I made. I cut it on a floral fabric and close it with a red big bow. And to finish everything, her magical mirror. And to decorate it, I'm using super glue and some rhinestones. Now, I'm extremely sad to say that just when I was about to take the final pictures, I dropped the mirror and broke it in half. But that's okay, things happen, and now it looks vintage. Time for the final pictures. This is by far my favorite repaint I've done. Due to some projects, I won't be able to make the second spirit soon, so bear with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more gel fun, and ring the bell to get notified. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next time. Bye!